Well, welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl, Star Flames, and we're back, baby, with another banging video. So, if you're new, you guys know the do. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and help your girl out. Now, guys, in this video, we're gonna go through the report that came out a few days ago because I reacted to it, but I didn't go through the details of the report, and in this video I want to do exactly that. Now, in case you're new and in case you have forgotten, Jay-Z was named as co-accused alongside Sean Diddy Combs in an amended lawsuit on December 8th. The lawyer in this case is Tony Buzbee. So basically, Tony Buzbee is representing a client that I love to call VMA Bandit. VMA Bandit accused Jay-Z and Diddy of doing unpleasantries to her when she was only the age of 12 years old. She detailed going to Radio City because she wanted to go to MTV after party. She said that she saw one of Diddy's people who took her to a party house. She was offered a drink, typical Buzbee storyline. I was given something to drink and then something else happened. So she is saying that Jay-Z and Diddy did that unpleasant thing to her. Jay-Z has since then fired back, accusing Buzbee of extortion, and he has been asking the judge to throw this case. And now he has been pushing for sanctions against Buzbee because of numerous inconsistencies in the lawsuit. Also, if you guys remember, the Daily Fail had chimed in to provide some factual evidence as to Diddy's whereabouts at the time of the allegations. So Jay-Z is still in the bid of getting sanctions against Buzbee. So we're going to get into the report because Jay-Z is saying, why are you filing lawsuits for people you haven't met? Now, since that report came out, many people have been saying, oh, but you don't need to meet someone in order to file a lawsuit for them. Actually, even after you file the lawsuit, you should have a one-on-one with your client, because Jay-Z's argument is if Buzbee had gone over the information, he would have noticed the inconsistencies in the lawsuit, the myriad of inconsistencies. However, it seems as though Tony Buzbee discovered the inconsistencies the same time that the rest of the world did, and that is during that NBC News interview. Now let's get into this report. They're saying Jay-Z is increasing his calls for a court to sanction Tony Buzbee, the lawyer representing numerous people accusing Diddy of a variety of sexual misdeeds, with Jay's side blasting him for not even meeting with his client before he filed the complaint. But Buzbee isn't backing down. The rapper's new legal docs in support of his motion were filed earlier this month, asking for sanctions against Buzbee, and in it, Jay's team points out that Tony now admits he never met with the Jane Doe suing him before he signed off on the complaint. So this is why many people are now looking at Buzbee different, because Buzbee himself has numerous inconsistencies in the lawsuit, because he said that he spoke to the client, then he said he didn't speak to the client, and Jay-Z saying, we have a factual confirmation that you said you did not meet with a client. However, after this report, Buzbee was saying he met with a client. So that's what people are questioning at this point. However, we are gonna continue with this report. Now they're saying, although Buzbee insists the case was appropriately vetted, Jay's lawyer are hammering him for never actually meeting the Jane Doe before it was filed, which Jay and his side sees as a huge lapse in his ethical responsibilities. As you know, Buzbee's working with a ton of different clients, but right now it is not totally shocking he hadn't met this particular Jane Doe before, but he's still catching flack over it from Jay's side. Jayz's team wants the court to sanction Buzbee, claiming he didn't do the bare minimum to investigate his client's claims before she gave a now infamous NBC News interview. Not long after the interview aired, the subject of it admitted there were certain mistakes she made while recounting her story. Buzbee tells TMZ this reply to the lawsuit is weak and desperate, stating he did in fact personally interview the plaintiff, as did 4 other lawyers. Tony adds anyone who says otherwise has their own agenda. Now this is Tony Buzbee using his political speech to say anyone who says otherwise. So it's basically bullying people to agree with him when he cannot. Well, he can do that, but that is a unethical practice right there, because several lawyers have said the same thing as what Jayz's legal team is arguing. Only if he had spoke to the client, he would have realized something is wrong. Even as it relates to the interview, many lawyers said it was a bad move for Buzbee to allow his client to do that interview, knowing the numerous inconsistencies. And hence why I said it seems as though Buzbee found out the same time as the rest of the world of the numerous inconsistencies, because if he knew of the inconsistencies before that NBC News interview, it means that he orchestrated VMA Bandit to, use Jayz's name to promote himself. Now also, let me back up a bit and provide some clarification. When I said that I didn't go through the report, I only did a reaction video. I read the report, but I gave a lengthy ass reaction video, and I wanted to come back and chisel it down some more, refine it some more for you guys. Now, I also added some extras here and there. I'm keeping my eyes peeled to see what the streets are saying. So, I'm going to come back and provide you guys with some more update. I want to hear from you guys. What's your take on what Jayz is saying? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.